Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to transfer your money from Gcash to your bank account. First, open your Gcash app on your phone. Just tap transfer. Then you will be redirected here. Just choose if the bank is local or international. You'll see all the available banks here. Just select the bank where you want to transfer your money. But for this video, I will be using a QR code to make the transaction easier. Just upload the QR photo here. All the details will be filled in automatically. You just need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Once everything's okay, tap send money. Just a heads up, there's a 15 pesos fee for each transaction. Make sure to double check everything since confirmed transactions can't be refunded. After that, scroll down, tick the small box on the left and tap pay. And there you go, your money has been successfully transferred.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.